Jumapili engio mwanchumu ligiriria ndonsia soto bwaterete kirocheragire chinsa isano na ibere ase Jumapili ye chitariki 15 ase umutinyu gatano karibu sana ase kiunga chinsa isano na ibere eliyo nkomanye ayitu abere to gukwareganiria ase meza ya mangana maya ase nchirere eyobwenge genda kutubwatisa mitandao yetu ya Facebook na boigo YouTube munagetembe TV ekero to kubwaterana na Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebimanyirerio ilikuwa na kianko ya nyorore na inche ingoko ya letera ni ngonkuru kwa Ruth Kemuntu. Ikiunga chinsa isano na ibere nigo togo cha Kalimolioka ase omuwaziri wechipara meye kaunti ya Nyamira Musubati Grace Nyamongo negati ya basubati obabete bakwenyorera obubui anene ase byegwa ebibyalenge kurwegwa abo asobotuko obwelitukurigoro amoneri shirika ya East Africa Superwomen Awards ase ngencho yemirememia bagokora gukwane kirekyo nigo omusubati Grace aberega kogokera obubui yobo na kubolia abaiboli bonsi banyareka babako basomya abana banyaruka ase keribuna nigo bagendete gukora emirememia ase binyoro ao nabo igokubolia bonsi banyareka babakwegwa esiko ya bene.
Njengo kwanga Dr. Grace Bosibori Nyamongo kurwa county ya Nyamira n'umuwaziri w'echipara ase tukuria rero nabere no mogoko monene ase ngencho yokonyora esa wadi yeye oba omuwaziri okorega asibuya mono ase East Africa naende yona ngotebanga libageri byabangina taibangina bo tali abangina paka banyare gokorega asi kero basomete iwo abaminto abategereri mbiya mono sana ase ngencho nanyarire kubagi mugonsira abansire banyare ko bagonsira naende nagokire sana ase ekegweke ekiagera narengere twisirinke nyorera kirina abaenko gokora research obotuki bambwetirie ngaki nyinge bakona koranga ngasi ngokora urumaiga igabu onarengere ase wizara ya sports naende ngakori mono kabisa okangabeka Nyamire kaba world calendar of sports.
I am extremely humbled to come to receive this award on the empowerment of women. I'm told it is the year 2026. I can only say this is for Maendeleo. I give it to Maendeleo Wanawake and I attach it more to the work we've been doing on water tanks. Na ile kubwa kabisa hii tunaipeana kwa His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto, Her Excellency the First Lady. Please let it be an organization thing. Please. Her Excellency the First Lady, for the visit we did 1st of April with 5,000 women, where His Excellency pronounced himself to support us to empower our circle, which we started in the year 2022 to commemorate our 70 years as Maendeleo ya Wanawake.
bwokwebwata bunaba kichikura kya sabasaye nabo igobya bwokwebwatirania asobwaki chikura erigochora baraya baya balia abaganete asobochoryo bonene boli bosi gukwana kurwa asomo chubusungo nigo ekyombekyo kyalireira yogochigotara kera ekenyoro erikwana kibuna nkumira na bali nabasaye erikuba amaigelyo igoro yobya bwogochora baraya baya erikwanyorera magendero asichinsemo au ananeme county ya Kisii
card, then we'll do voter education whereby we teach them on how to know who is the right leader, what are the qualities to look at. It's not a matter of just voting, that so long as you've taken the card, you go and vote for whoever that will give you money. No. This time round, we want youths and every voter to vote in good leaders with the good leadership qualities.
Last year we've been pushing and trying to see how we can bring across the young leadership and how we can help young leaders to attain their goals. At the same time, how we can show transformation via these young leaders. And some of them we've identified, and we are sure and we are happy and we are capable of identifying or of noting that they can make it. At the same time, these are guys who have been raised here within. They have gone to schools. They have participated in several leadership stages, and we don't have any doubt that if we support them, they'll do good or bring transformation in our society. Mind our parents, our sisters and brothers on the importance of voting, on the importance of having registered as a voter, so that we'll create something different from what people know that youths do say but they don't vote on the material day. We are sure this coming election, it will shock many. People have been with this norm of youth not voting, but this pattern through this movement, we trust that the process, the end result matters. So tomorrow we'll be moving around the Gusii region. We'll start from the Mosocho. We'll attend mass there. We'll talk with voters or electorates of that area. We'll move to Suneka, Nyamarambe, that is part of South Mugrango. We'll come back to Kenyenya via Bomachoge. We'll drop down to Mogonga, all the way to Keroka, Keumbu, and finally we'll meet at the capital roundabout, where these youths will give their information and will remind people from this region on the importance of voting and
kubwatikana no komentikana kwiriguriria mafuta aiga sense ya Kenya nigo abananchi amona barai aho besokiri na korokia okogechigwa kwabo asikeri batebirubuna nigo ugokino kuo korachi kwenekia ubugimangu kina buri gusengo konga buri aiga a sense ya Kenya. Oyo bwangoiga no mwana siasa James Oirere uyule umwana siasa kurwa ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba uyoberega korokia okogechigwa kwaye na goteba gwetera sugo kina kwiriguririo ni nigo abananchi anene mwananchi obutambe bagendrete guchandika kubwatekana no gokonga ku bugima asabiriga kubulia serikali kubwaterana no muwaziri bw'ekinguru cy'umuriro Muskopio Wandai kweneke bunango bwaterana bale eliogoke yariguri elio na kurigereria umwananchi ulio bwatokonyora okoro wanse
amaguta amendire mugatotiza 50 mwaruzi return mwamendire 40 akina wale nkoba akerewa aka tirikora amesa kuri ansama ya mayakoro ini mukora robotuko mwaranga inuwe ka botuko mwaranga nakanya ne serikali ketukia kala kanete it might be under different influences yana muri gelinga ke mauta yakawa moderated aira da mo moderate inde mbo basokuba buha abakenya abantu basumbuke to banyora 2027 ndaza goteba ngayoro ntobwate umuyiga yokomo enya omongina Teresia omongina Onyonga senator the senior super senator igoroga iga Mosocho ande dotanga asabantu baitaba busimbi yamono isiga singe mwakolete ngorenkia omoreme norengo abantu mbaigwananite abantu bakaragera abantu bagakwana nonyinga kiokwana yegete sabaga nigoro tukanyora nk'abantu bari batutam bagitororo kandi bagwatire kuba tutam it was intete batabiye abantu batutam there is no problem ondo yobate mechando na inu imechando ne yo mwaje do kebeka asata takiri kobeko kandi kire kyara kale te yogiri nyingi bakakabara taraba obuso abana barayi baitu tugete ko ba confrontation
Utigarete abwaseri guriria mafuta abarai bekiama gia ODM anene umuwaziri bweke gancha gia serikali umuske John Mbadi na boigo umugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay umusubate Gladys Wanga negati ya barai ubesokiri na gukwanira igoro yeri guriria mafuta asibate birenigo serikali irachikuligeriria ligoririo na boigo kwenekia ngokei walire ase ubwango mono ukwana kurwa chinsemo Nyakachi ime ye county ya Kisumu nigo boigo babiri bagoteba bune serikali nigebegete umwananchi kawaida asenkoro na goteba nigo arachikurigereria andene umwananchi yobutambe na kwenekia ubugima ngochikonyara kuri bolibogokia kubwatikana no gukina kweligorio eri batebire barachikurigereria asobwango mono.
And we reduced VAT by 8%. This month we again added another 5 billion to stabilize the prices of fuel. But they are still high. What we are going to do, we will sit down with the president to make sure that whatever it takes, we try to lower the prices of petroleum products so that our people can find peace and our people should not suffer because of rising prices of petroleum products. But if you look at even in the United States, where they produce fuel, in the United States, the prices of fuel, petroleum products have gone up by 60%. Everywhere in the world, the prices have gone up. But here at home, we must do whatever it takes. This is not something to be politicized. This is something to discuss, debate soberly, and we sit down as leaders, as people who are in power, to make sure that we do look at the options that we have available. One option is that one of VAT. The other option is to look for more resources and stabilize the prices of the petroleum commodity.
How much money has been issued by Treasury? 6 billion last month, 5 billion this month for purposes of stabilization of fuel prices. You issued money with President William Ruto so that the prices of fuel are not 300 shillings today, they are what they are. But I want to ask you on behalf of our people, tafadhali angalia hapo ndani ya kikapu, if you can find a little more money for further stabilization of fuel, so that bei ya fuel iende chini kidogo kushinda hapo. And we know and we understand that the issue of fuel prices is not an issue of Kenya, it's an issue of the war. It's an issue of the war in the Middle East, in Iran and the United States and Israel.
Mwanchumu ligereria na rayikorwa se kiunga chinsa isano na ibere nande kiro cheregere chinsa ikomene nyirane inkomenya yande asenchira ere yobwenge genda gutwara oboligere borobya no bego gendera kwegokeria emerobelyo aho kurugaiga asegeta seni kyagetembe TV kurugaria ase konende ni gondo che Schools Connect bagenderete kweyalegania DJ Atson nere King Bonby eliko enekya buna ngokonyegere libale echi mic na bego che speaker na bego gokogokya andozia to tegerete kurwa genda gutwara oboligere borobya tumerane nandege kuraga chinsa ikome Wilson Makori nere to bwaterane nere kurugaria asensemo yebi manyerilyo Eugene Matogo oyo kwenekiryo gine chibicha byagwikire na inchena ako yaletera nigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.